about how to manually add coders to a specific program. I'm logged into my admin dashboard, and here I have a list of my programs that are available. I can either give the registration code to the coders and they can input that and be joined to these programs, or I can manually add them by going to the coders page, finding the specific coder I'm looking for from the list, editing their profile, and you'll see an area called Students, Membership, View, and Modify. There's an area for their system, for their library or school, and for their program. If I want to add this coder to an additional program, I simply click on it and click Save. If I need to remove a coder from a specific program, I simply click and save.